Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating prerequisites, own the Zone 1 key and the required currency, and finish the door puzzles. Start now by heading to the switch room. Interact with the central panel to log progress. Once the panel registers, make sure to collect the checkpoint token so progress persists. You should assemble a short team or enable NPC support before attempting the gate sequence, because timing and coordination matter for the next actions and to avoid repeats. You now handle the complex middle. Trigger the 3 levers in left, center, right order within the 20-second window. Do this precisely to open the inner corridor. Once done, move to the pattern tile puzzle and replicate the mirrored sequence shown on the console. Accuracy matters because mistakes reset the timer. If the Guardian miniboss spawns, decide quickly. Confront it using burst damage or use stealth to slip past. Make sure to retrieve the inner key immediately after. You finish by inserting the inner key into the Zone 2 gate and watching the full animation to ensure the unlock sequence completes. Once the gate cycles, collect the Zone 2 unlock token and check the upper right HUD to confirm the map update. If the gate fails to open, try a checkpoint reset or re-invite teammates to resync the instance. This often clears desync triggers. Make sure to rerun the lever sequence only if needed, and then proceed into Zone 2 immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.